Okay, so what is goal setting and why can't we achieve it? Goal setting is something that you want to do, and how you do it is how quickly you achieve your goal. Let's say I want to write 5 pages a day. The first thing is going to be, okay, until when? You're going to have to give yourself a date. So let's say for the next 8 weeks, right? That's my end date. I want to write X amount of pages a day. Then you're going to say to yourself, right, what do I want to do with these pages? Do I want to actually publish it? Do I want to achieve an emotional state? Do I want to create a novel? Or what do you want to do with these pages? And that will determine on how serious and deep dive you do into these 8 pages that you write for the next 8 weeks. And then you're going to say to yourself, let's say you end up going, right, I want to actually achieve writing a book by the end of these 8 weeks, or at least start writing a book. Then you're going to say to yourself, right, what does halfway look like? Like what does halfway look like with this book? Let's say you want the book to be 500 pages. So halfway is 250 pages. And what is halfway? Halfway is 4 weeks back. Right. Now you have to say to yourself, okay, so I want to start on this date. I want to be done by that date. And I want my midway point to look like this. So what am I going to do every single day to get there? Let's say you write an hour in the morning and an hour in the evening. So you write 4 pages in the morning and you write 4 pages at night. That is your routine. Very easily said and done. That's your routine. That's how you're going to achieve it. But most of us struggle between day 1 and the end of week 8, right? Because life happens. We lose focus. For some other reason, this goal is not as important to us 6 o'clock in the afternoon after a busy day of work when we have no energy left. Then all of a sudden that goal doesn't look as good. Because goals is set in emotion. Yes, I want to get there because I want to feel like this. I want to achieve this. And we feel what it's going to feel like to get there. But our emotions are fickle. Our emotions are shallow. They fluctuate. They come and they go. Sometimes they're more positive. Sometimes they're more negative. So when you set a goal, you need more than just the goal to get you there. You actually need more than just the daily action. Because 6 o'clock at night, when you really don't feel like it, that action is going to be, you know what, buttercup, stuff it up and go and do it. So no soft parenting for you there. Just go and do it. Is that nice? No. What happens to the grace that people say we have to give to ourselves? I understand that. I do believe that people have to give themselves grace. It just depends on how much you want to achieve the goal that you're setting for yourself. The other part is, let's say you're a busy mom with 2 kids and they have after school activities plus homework. You don't have a 6 o'clock time slot to do the writing that you said you want to do. You only have the hour in the morning. Now I'm asking you, was that a realistic goal? No matter how hard you are on yourself, will you be able to achieve that every single day for 8 weeks? I don't think so. So what I'm asking you to do as a coach is to change that idea. And that is what I'm doing in my goal setting workbook that I'm launching on Monday. I'm so excited to bring this to you. And I'm so excited to bring this to you. I actually changed my entire Patreon community to focus on this, because I know there's so many women out there that want to achieve something that they really want to do for themselves, for their heart's desire. They just have no idea how to do it and how to get there. And it's not for a lack of trying. So, join my Patreon. The link is up here. Join. I'm going to give you the workbook for free. But then I'm also going to give you guided advice over the first cycle to help you get there, help you figure out as a coach, as a life coach. For $5, I will help you change your direction if you need it. Or I'm going to help you put on some tackies and, make you eat some grits if that is what you need. So I invite you to come on over and achieve your dreams and your goals, because your heart's desire is there for a reason. I also believe that the noise outside in life at this moment in time is just way more than what we can handle. Therefore, I believe every single woman, especially if they have kids, or if they have a household to run, or even if they only have a business, every single person in today's society needs a form of coaching to help them scratch through the noise, because we weren't raised to deal with the amount of noise that we have every single day. Now, I'm bringing you actual life coaching for $5 a month, but I'm also bringing you your future self on a silver platter. Because if you do the work, if you ask the questions, if you tweak what you need to tweak, I promise you, you can get to your goal. You can get to your dream, and you can get to the life that you want to live. You can find inner joy again, because too many of us have lost it, and too many of us are faking it at this moment in time. So I invite you. My first challenge starts on Monday, the 22nd. Come, join. If you don't like it, you don't have to do another month. And if it's too tough, then it's okay. I'll still be there when life quiets down and you have time for, yourself. Ladies, I hope to see you on Monday. Until then. Okay, it's going to sound like a sales pitch, but it's not. I created this workbook even before I got to South Africa. And when I was in South Africa, I personally have been struggling, and I'm going to call it out. I've been wanting to reach my goal weight for so long. Let's give you a bit of a history. To 2022, I lost about 16 kilograms, and I got to the weight that you guys met me at on YouTube. I got to about 75 kilograms. I've wanted to be between 50 and 55 kilograms since I can remember. And I've been struggling to reach my goal. I've been struggling to set a goal, to implement it into my daily routine and to achieve it. And then when I landed in South Africa, I started working on this workbook on myself, and I just got this supernatural download. It was incredible. I actually, because the original information was very well researched, I researched for a couple of months before I actually started working on the workbook. So it's grounded in science and research and, actual life coaching experience. And then when I landed in South Africa, I changed that book twice. And I've now come up with a system that I'm sharing in that workbook. And I'm inviting you, join Patreon. I'm going to give you this workbook for free, but then I'm going to help you. I'm going to guide you through the first cycle. So guys, I hope to see you there on Monday, because I am truly excited about the big change that this can bring in your life. I saw it in my own, and I have a client that I've put onto it as well, and I can see a change in her life as well. And therefore, I am certain that it'll bring a change in your life too. So if you're ready to reach the goal and to live the dream that you are dreaming of living, join us. And we start on Monday. So until then, and if I don't, I'll see you on a Wednesday. So until then, enjoy living life. Bye.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.